Hey guys, it's Acer here from EBike, and today we're at COMPUTEX in Taiwan, and we're with Acer to check out the Acer booth, so let's go check it out inside. The Acer booth at COMPUTEX 2023 can be quite overwhelming because of its size. It's big and there's a lot of things you can check out, with Predator having the biggest segment. The laptop we wanted to check out at the Predator booth is the all-new Triton 16, which was just introduced at the show. It's powered by an Intel i9 processor and it can even be spec'd with an RTX 4070 GPU. We got to try it out playing Redfall and it can certainly game well. We'll be keeping an eye out for this one once it lands in the Philippines. Also in the Predator section is Acer's new modular PC called the Orion X. It might look small, but inside there's actually a RTX 4090 GPU and what looks like a 240mm AIO. By modular, we mean there are 3 sections for each part, and they're easily removable and interchangeable. There's even space for 2 hot swappable SSDs. Perhaps our best experience is the Spatial Apps boot. It's hard to show you in the video, but essentially the monitor turns the game you're playing into 3D without needing to use special glasses. It works by having an eye tracking feature ensuring what you see is 3D all the time. So if you look at it from the side, it might look a bit weird. Not to mention there's also directional audio, which enhances both visual and listening experience. We got to try it out, especially in a soundproof room, and it was amazing, although there are some limitations at the moment. Hopefully Acer manages to improve it more in the future since there are a lot of use for it, and I'm not talking about just gaming. Moving to the other section of the Acer booth, we also got to see their unique stationary bike desk. It doesn't plug into anything, so there's no electricity being used. So how do you use it? Well, you do have to pedal. When you pedal, that's also how you power the USB ports. Pretty cool if you want to get fit and work at the same time. Beside it is the Acer EBike, which was just launched earlier this year. It looks cool, featuring a minimalist design, but we'll talk more about it in an upcoming video where we feature Acer's mobility solutions, particularly their e-bikes. Outside of gaming laptops, the laptop that caught our attention is the new Acer Swift Edge 16. You would expect a 16-inch laptop to be very heavy, but this one is quite lightweight, weighing only 1.23 kilograms. And by lightweight, you can actually just play it around with it, just like what we did. Not to mention, it's quite powerful too, using an AMD Ryzen 740 processor and even a Radeon 780M GPU. If you want to know more about it, we wrote a first impression article, which you can read on the site, and it's currently up right now. Overall, the main theme of Acer's booth is their dedication to becoming more eco-friendly. They had the Vera laptop, an electric fan, electric chargers, yes, an electric car charger by the way, and even one of the first eco-friendly Wi-Fi routers, the Acer Connect Vero W6M. Most of these products are made from recycled material. Yes, recycled material, not just for the box, but even the casting and the plastic. Now, for those of you interested in these products, some of the prices have not been listed just yet, but you can always check them out at the Acer website, or you can visit yugatech.com since we're gonna write about it anyway in the future. Okay, so we just got back to our hotel from the COMPUTEX event and we're quite tired. We had a change of clothes because it's raining, and if you didn't know, there is a typhoon this weekend here in Taiwan. So that's about it for our coverage of the Acer booth at the 2023 COMPUTEX, and we're definitely excited to check out and give a full review of the things we saw there, such as the laptops, the computers, and even the spatial display monitor, which is very cool. It's so hard to show you guys in the camera because you actually need your eyes to be able to see everything go from 2D to 3D. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to show you guys more of that in the future. Stay tuned since we will be doing a separate video covering Acer's e-mobility solutions, particularly e-bikes. They actually have a Predator e-bike downstairs and we can't wait to try it out. They say it's a very fast, so they don't want to let us try it out right now, but hopefully when the weather clears up or later in the evening when there's no rain, we'll be able to try it out. So if you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and COMPUTEX news, where we're right here. So, once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, which will be coming very soon. And yes, it's gonna be about the Predator e-bike. So, peace out for now.